Hello and welcome back to Car and a Question. My name is Dustin Keller.
And I'm Jason Adams, and we'd like to thank you for joining us today. And a reminder to like us on our YouTube channel and subscribe to us on all of our socials for more fun videos.
Give us that thumbs up.
Hey guys, welcome back to Car and a Question. I'm here with Dustin Keller. I'm Jason Adams, and we're here to answer all the cool questions you guys send in on our YouTube channel. So today's question is, how do I know if my car needs a tune-up? Dustin, talk a little bit about what a tune-up is and why they would need it.
Well, depending on the year, make, and model, a tune-up can mean several things. Everybody usually assumes that it means spark plugs. And depending on the year, make, and model and what type of spark plugs your vehicle is equipped with depends on when you replace them. So a copper plug could be every 30,000 miles. And an iridium or a platinum plug should get you around 100,000 miles. In previous videos, we talked about flashing engine lights, which means there's a misfire, which is a lot of times what we use to dictate when it's time for a tune-up or when we should pull those spark plugs and check the gap and check the way that they're wearing in their current condition. And that's when we would recommend a tune-up, which could also include plugs and wires or coils or coil packs and boots. It could also include thermostat housing, water pump can all be part of a tune-up because you got your ignition system, you also have your coolant system. So you can have an ignition system tune-up or a coolant system tune-up or any other system. We can talk about systems all day, Jason. Do you know any other systems? Fuel systems?
Yeah, fuel system, transmission. I mean, there's
Powertrain.
We could go for days.
Talking about systems and tune-ups. Thanks for coming and joining us at Car and a Question.